Japan team.
My name is Cai Yuting. I'm from Chengdu.
My name is Poppy. I'm from Laos. We are so excited to be in this final round.
Hope you guys enjoy our dubbing.
เป็นกำลังใจให้พวกเขาหน่อยเด้อ
希望大家多多支持我们。
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thank you. Bye.
Whoa, ladies, I gotta explain. See, I'm a princess too. Wait, what? Yeah, Princess Penelope von Triest of the Chivalrous von Triestes. I'm sure you've heard of us. It'd be kind of embarrassing for you if you haven't. What kind of princess are you? What kind? Do you have red hair? No. Red hands? No. Do animals talk to you? No. Were you poisoned? No. Cursed? No. Did you never a slave? No. Are you guys okay? Should I call the police? I can assume it's you and the more straight from here, you relax. No, good lord, who would do that? Have you ever shown those skills? Ew, worm. Do you have daddy issues? I don't even have a mom. Neither do we. And now for a $1,000,000 question. Do people assume all your problems got solved because a big strong man showed up? Yes, what's up with that? She is a princess! Who made you hair? I like to see why I like it. This whole thing? Oh, it's so lovely. Everyone is my own. As for I. Me too. Best thing ever. Oh, no, what you guys? I'll get my mice on this. So this is love. Our hail Princess Penelope, the queen of country. Penelope! All to the left in this entire world. I never thought I'd be real. Let's go again. Oh yeah, shirt. I once had a dream that I was sure. Whoa, wait, what's going on? Just singing? Yeah, but there was like music and a spotlight. Wait, you all saw it too, right? That's what happens when things isn't out of dreams. That's never happened to me. Not even once. Why don't you give it a try? What does it really want? So you want that? Okay, sure. I can do that. Let's see. Oh, steering wheel! Oh, steering wheel! I guess I want a steering wheel. Do-do-do. Ooh, wow. Well, there's a lot to unpack here. So the steering wheel is that's a metaphor? No, it's not a metaphor. I literally want a steering wheel. I think the issue is I was a little peachy, maybe a little. But sometimes you just stop until it goes someplace too flat. What looks fast